what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to fashion to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. All right, guys, happy new year! Wearing my lucky, hopefully, New Year polka dots. I'm pretty sure, and I hope and pray that 2021 can be better than 2020. Okay, let's just take 2020 and throw it in the trash. All right, guys, so every year I make a planner. 2020's planner didn't go so well. We're gonna shift our perspective. So no matter what happens throughout this year, we're gonna set goals that no matter what outside goes on, internal here at the culture of us, at our core, we're still gonna make it regardless. So I did go ahead and purchase the planner. Despite knowing when we make plans, God laughs. But anyways, so I picked up a different planner this year. Usually I go with the Happy Planner, but I decided I wanted something a little more different this year. So I went with a company called Bloom Planning. Here is the planner that I purchased. I did put these little stickers on the front, but it does come with this standard B kind of cover. And the website says this is 2021 soft cover, daily planner and calendar in the style Gold Bees. So Bloom soft cover planner were designed with love to inspire and empower you to bloom into the best self this year. This is more than just a planner. It's your life coach, accountability partner, and personal cheerleader, ready to be less busy and more productive. This planner goes from January 2021 through the full year, December 2021. I like this planner because it has what I typically like, which is a monthly view, and I'll show you February because I already started writing January. But it shows you a monthly view, and as you can see, I've already started to decorate here. Monthly view as well as a weekly view. They do have them in a larger size than this. The size that I have is a 6-inch wide with binding by 8.25 tall. 10 ounces, and I'll show you here how it compares to like a standard notebook. So it's a bit smaller, but I like it because I can take it on a go and throw it in a purse in case I need to or want to like jot something down. I put here, every dream deserves a day. The whole world is waiting for you. So this is my kind of encouragement for when I see this. I really enjoy the premise behind Bloom. It's a woman-owned company, and they also some of the proceeds, I'm not sure the percentage, but some of the proceeds go to other women and girl organizations to kind of help empower women. One of the ones that I have personally worked with as far as volunteering is Girls on the Run. So when I saw that, I was like, yes, I love buying something that gives back to someone else or pays it forward in a sense. I'm gonna do a flip through for you guys, and I'm gonna show you here some of the pages. It starts with a mission statement that you can set for yourself. My word or power word mantra for this year is intentional. I want to be intentional, and I will be, and I am intentional in everything that I'm doing this year. You can see here, these are the tabs for each month. And as I flip through the pages, you'll see that I really enjoy these very first few pages. Here it shows important dates. It's a note from the creators / owners of the company. There's a picture of the ladies right there. Kind of tells you, you know, what their company is about. And then it has the 2021, 2022 calendar and little slashes under it so you can maybe write birth dates or important dates under each month so that you don't forget. This is awesome. I love an interactive planner where you can write here your purpose, your values, the things that you want to do more of this year, less of this year. You can write your purpose there. I just think this planner is so intentional. And there's more little worksheet kind of things here, things not to do in the year, things that you want to improve upon, and kind of where you are. This is definitely my favorite section. It's showing your vision board, your goal tracking, your ideal week, your weekly scheduling template. All these pages in the front are something I've never seen in a planner that I've used, which is AKA the Happy Planner. But I really enjoy all these additional pages that kind of give you something to kind of flip through throughout the year to kind of keep you on track to where you want to be. Here it shows how you can keep up with your bills, additional to-do notes, just blank pages. And I'm going to show you here, kind of flip through maybe about 3 or 4 months so you can see the calendar view, and then you'll see here as I flip the page the weekly view. There's definitely enough space in the weekly view to write, but you can put stickers there. Up top there is a kind of quote for the week. You have your weekly priorities. There's also another little mini calendar. The calendar dates go, I believe, from Monday to Sunday. As you can see here, I'm flipping to the pages. These are the weekly, and we'll just go kind of month to month. And the holidays are also written in there. I think there's quite a few holidays for different religions and things like that. Also, I really enjoy, you can barely see it there, but each month there's like a little mantra or a little saying or something for you to kind of think about each month. I believe it's the first or second week of each month. I think that's really cool too, just to kind of keep your mind thinking about positivity and just how you can be a better person. I really, really love this planner. I do love the cute little stickers in the back, and it also comes with a magnet so that you can clip your pages so you can kind of know where you've left off. The stickers are super cute, and I love that they have a couple little black girls on here, you know. Black girls rock. The pricing again was $16.95 both on Amazon and on their website, but you can get a discount on their website. I purchased this with my own money. I'm not being paid. Bloom doesn't even know who I am. Like I said, they do make it in a bigger size if you need more space to write in. I really think this is a great planner, and I intend to continue to purchase. I really love these pink bees because my name is Brandy, duh, and my name starts with a B. People call me B. I call myself Auntie B. Because I have nieces and nephews, they call me Auntie B. So I just thought the bees was, oh, and I live in Charlotte, the Queen City, the beehive. The bees just do it for me, okay? So I thought this was just the perfect thing to get me excited about planning for 2021, regardless of how she goes, you know what I'm saying? All right, guys, I think that's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I will catch you guys in my next one. Happy New Year, and chat with you later. Bye.